Hi everyone, sorry my timer cut out for recording, so I just have to make another quick little video. So what I would like you to do now is to, using this information here, have a go at making like a kind of almost like a food web with all the different shapes showing how they connect to each other. So for example, if we start out, all of these shapes here are 2D shapes, so we can put 2D shapes at the top. Okay, and from there we know that from 2D shapes there are different types of 2D shapes. So we know that there are polygons which have straight sides. Okay, that's a type of 2D shape. And we know that there are also shapes that are 2D that are not polygons, such as ellipses and circles. So we can have here a circle is a 2D shape and an ellipse is a 2D shape. Okay, so I want you to keep going from there and try and get all of these things on there as a big food web. I'll put up an answer on where will I send it to you? I'll email you a solution in about kind of maybe 15 minutes or so. It won't take you that long, but so everyone's done it. And then as well on that document that I sent you as well with the week plan, there's a Google Forms sheet for you to fill out. So I want you to do that too. Okay, alrighty, that's it for today. I know it's pretty easy and it's not a lot, but it should be a nice kind of gentle ease in, and then we'll do a little bit more things. We'll do a little bit more on Saturday and have a chat on Friday as well. Okay, alright, thanks very much. Bye.